Welcome to our educational YouTube series exploring the geography of Kenya through fun and interactive games. In this video, viewers will learn about Kenya's flags, coat of arms, neighboring countries, major cities, provinces, districts, and stunning natural landscapes. Each segment includes engaging quizzes and activities designed to make learning enjoyable and easy to remember. All exercises are free to play and perfect for students, teachers, and anyone curious about Kenya. Join us and discover the beauty and diversity of Kenya while testing your knowledge in a playful way. The national flag of Kenya features three main colors, black, red, and green, separated by white stripes and overlaid with a traditional Maasai shield and spears. The black represents the people of Kenya, the red stands for the bloodshed during the struggle for independence, and the green symbolizes the country's rich natural resources and fertile land. The white stripes signify peace and unity among all Kenyans. The shield and cross spears represent the defense of freedom and the nation's readiness to protect its heritage. Similarly, the coat of arms includes the same shield and spears, flanked by lions symbolizing courage, and features agricultural symbols like coffee, pyrethrum, and maize, reflecting Kenya's strength and prosperity. Discover the geography of Kenya in this fun and educational game series. Learn about Kenya's main cities, from the bustling capital Nairobi to the coastal beauty of Mombasa and the historic town of Kisumu. Practice your skills by locating each city on the map and exploring their unique features and landmarks. Perfect for students and geography lovers, this interactive game makes learning about Kenya exciting and easy. Explore the physical geography of Kenya through these exciting and educational games. Learn about Kenya's mountains, lakes, rivers, and valleys, including the famous Mount Kenya, Lake Victoria, and the breathtaking Great Rift Valley. Discover the country's stunning natural parks and reserves, such as Masai Mara, Amboseli, and Tsavo, home to incredible wildlife and diverse landscapes. Practice your geography skills by locating these natural wonders on the map and identifying them through vivid pictures and clues. Each game is designed to make learning about Kenya's environment interactive and fun. Test your knowledge while exploring how geography shapes Kenya's culture, wildlife, and climate. Whether you're a student or a nature lover, this is the perfect way to experience Kenya's beauty from your screen. Learn about the provinces of Kenya in this fun and interactive geography game. Practice your mapping skills by locating all the provinces on the map and testing your knowledge through engaging challenges. Perfect for learners of all ages, this game makes discovering Kenya's regions both educational and exciting. Discover the geography of Kenya's districts and provinces in this set of advanced learning games. Explore how Kenya is divided into distinct provinces and districts, each with its own cultural, geographical, and economic features. Learn to locate them accurately on the map while uncovering interesting facts about their landscapes, cities, and communities. These games are designed for advanced learners who want to deepen their knowledge of Kenya's administrative geography. Through interactive maps and challenges, you'll sharpen your mapping and analytical skills. Perfect for students, teachers, and geography enthusiasts eager to master Kenya's regional divisions. Thank you for watching and learning with us. You can play all these fun and educational geography games on the free website PurposeGames, where you'll find many more activities about Kenya and other countries. Check out the links in the description to start playing and testing your knowledge right away. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep learning with us.